is Thiago from Spotahome, Valencia. Today I am in a studio apartment. It is right in the center of Valencia. So from here you are very close to the train station, the central market, and this apartment is in the third floor, and I'll show you right now. So this is the entrance of the apartment, and from the door you have this view. So over here is the bathroom, and here is the living room and the kitchen. So here in the living room we have these two windows, and here we have a sofa, and in the other side here we have a TV, and in here we have a table with 4 chairs, and here is the kitchen area. So here we have a washing machine, we have a coffee machine, a toaster, a kettle. Here we have a microwave, the sink, the stove, and the oven. So here we will have space for storage some cleaning things, and here we have some shelves with pens, plates. Here we have some glasses, and here we have the fridge with the freezer, and over here we have this balcony. So here we can open, then we have a table with a chair, and this is the view. As you can see, we have already some restaurants over here, so we have supermarkets, everything closed. So in this apartment we have central heating and aircon, so you control from here, and here is the air exits, and here we have the bedroom. So here in the bedroom we have a double bed, we have these lamps, and we have some surface also, and here we have this window with these curtains, and over here we have some storage space, and of course we have also this very big wardrobe. We have the exit of the aircon over there and over here. So this bathroom, as you can see, is very big, and basically all the other doors is like that. So I'll show you now the bathroom here in the entrance. So in here we have this sliding door, and then here we have the screen for the shower. So the shower is here, and then here we have the toilet, a bidet, we have a window here, and then here we have the sink with this mirror, also has lights in there. So that's everything. So that's it. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you like this apartment. The location is amazing. It is right in the center of Valencia, and from here you have everything around. Bye!